final video interview for Swansea, okay? Here, let's first let's talk about farm animals. What's the name of the baby dog? How about the horse? Oh. How about the goat? It's a kid. How about the cow? What's the name of the baby sheep? Yeah. What's the name of the baby pig? Piglet. Now, what pets? Tell me, what pets do you have? I have. About fruits, how many kiwis can you see? How about pineapples? 5 pineapples. How about figs? How about avocados? Avocados. How about papaya? Now the specific vegetables. How many corns can you see? How about eggplants? 7. How about leeks? 4 leeks. How about peas? How about potatoes? How about chops? Tell me, where does the nurse work? The nurse works at the hospital. Yeah, the nurse works at the hospital. How about the farmer? The farmer works at the farm or works on the farm. Now, about the teacher. The teacher works at school. How about the baker? Bakery. Now let's proceed with transportation. What use of transport do you use? I use a tricycle. Skateboard. I use a hot air balloon. I use a train. I use a fire engine. I use a truck. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thank you.